Hello everyone, this is Neha Tulsyan from Crescent Creation. Welcome to another video on my YouTube channel. Today is the 15th of the month and it's the new release at Crescent Creation. And this is one of our biggest release. I'm so excited to share with you all our new products. We are bringing in some new items to our store like cardstocks and envelopes. So let me get started and show you the new products. So we are bringing in the fall theme cardstock pack for you. It's a pack of 10 A4 size cardstocks in 5 different colors. So you'll get 2 of each color. These cardstocks are all 100 lbs. So they are good and nice heavyweight for using as card bases or for layering on your cards. Next we have is A2 size envelopes in different colors for you. This one here is the metallic mix which comes in 5 colors. It's a pack of 10, so you get 2 of each color. The color you get in this pack are onyx black, copper, bronze, gold and the white pearl. And we also have the single packs of all these envelopes. So if you do not like the mix and want one particular envelope color, you can get that. We also have one more addition to our metallic envelopes, and that's the shimmery teal envelopes here. And again, you get 10 pieces of envelopes in a pack. Next we have this red and green Christmas mix A2 size envelopes. Again, this is a pack of 10, so you get 5 of both the colors. And again, both these envelopes are available separately in packs too. Next we have the neutrals pack where we have the black and grey envelopes. Again, this is a pack of 10, so you get 5 of each color and they are available in separate packs too. Lastly, for the envelopes, we have this white envelopes with foil inserts. These come in 2 different colors, gold foil inserts and red foil inserts. And we have created a mix for you, and of course they are available in separate packs too. These comes in a pack of 12, so you get 6 of each color. Next we'll move on to the embellishments. This one here is the Crescent Creation Wonderland clay bits. It's a beautiful mix of all kinds of Christmas clay bits. We have Santa, we have candy canes, we have stockings, we have gingerbread house, we have holly leaves, we have Christmas tree. Just perfect to adorn all your beautiful Christmas projects. Next is this Crescent Creation Merry Christmas clay bits mix. It has Santa, it has candy canes, it has Christmas tree, holly and gingerbread man. Next we have is the Crescent Creation Jingle Bells Clay Bits Mix. This has some sprinkles in red, green and white color along with some green seed beads and Santa's face. Next we have is the Crescent Creation Winter Clay Bits. It is a mix of sprinkled snowflakes, some brown hearts and some candies. So if you're not into Christmas but still like the red, green, white colors together, this is a perfect mix for you. Next we have this fun Penguins Play in Snow Clay Bits mix where we have penguins, snowman, snowflakes and some seed beads thrown in the mix. Next we have some single clay bits, not a mix, so you can get different packs of this and create your own mix. So here we have the candy cane. Next up is the gingerbread man. We have the snowman and the Santa. We also have the peppermint candy and the penguins. And last but not the least, we have this beautiful glow-in-the-dark stars clay bits. And this is how it looks when it's all dark. I just love these glow-in-the-dark clay bits. I am so excited to see what you guys gonna create using these embellishments. Next, I'm gonna share all our digital sets. We have 4 sets this month. The first one here is the Christmas Nomies, where we have these 2 gnomes and they can be decorating a whole Christmas scene. We've added accessories like tree, ornaments, gift boxes, a step and a table for you to decorate the whole scene. And the sentiments read, "There is no place like gnome, gnome sweet gnome, and I love you no matter what." So adorable. Next up is the Front Door Holidays stamp set. And this is one of my favorite from this release. We have a front door image with some stairs and some accessories to decorate the front door and to create a beautiful holiday card. And we have a lot of sentiments like Merry Christmas, Season's Greetings, Happy Holidays to put on your projects. Next we have is the Happy Fall stamp set with some leaf images. Here I've added 2 Happy Fall sentiments in this set which are exactly the same. The only difference is one is just a sentiment and the other one has some leaves already added to it. So if you want, you can just use the sentiment or the sentiment with the leaves. I also added few extra leaves that you can use along with the happy fall sentiment. And lastly, I have the Merry Christmas big sentiment stamp set. You can print it out as a very big sentiment and use it on the front of your card and create some really quick cards very fast. For just 99 cents, this is a very good deal. Next, I'm going to quickly show you all the cards that I created using few of these products. So for this one, I used the Happy Fall stamp set. I created a background using all the leaf images from the stamp set and colored them using some color pencils. And my sentiment, I printed it out using my laser printer. And then I used my deco foil and did some hot foiling using my laminator. Fuzzy cut the sentiment out using my scissors and added some leaf clay bits all over the card, and that finished my card. The next card is a shaker card, and I used both the Happy Christmas Nomies and the front door holiday stamp set. I also used the Merry Christmas clay bits mix for this shaker card, and my sentiment, I heat foiled it using a gold foil and my laminator. Next card is using the Christmas Nomies stamp set. It's a beautiful scene where both the gnomes are decorating their Christmas tree. Isn't that adorable? I just love this whole scene. It's so Christmassy. Lastly, I created this Slimline shaker card using just the trees and few of the ornaments and lights from the Christmas Nomies stamp set. I used the penguins play in snow clay bits mix for this shaker card, and the sentiment is from the front door holidays digital stamp set, and I gold foiled it using my laminator. So this was our new release for October, and as usual it is a hop and we have a giveaway. So visit our blog to get all the details and the complete hop list. Do not forget to leave comments on each stop to be considered for the giveaway. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you next time. Until then, happy crafting!